There's nothing better than a cold, refreshing treat on a hot day. And today we're taking a classic summer drink and turning it into something even better. Welcome back to Cooking with Rod, where we keep things simple, delicious, and always satisfying. Today we're making Arnold Palmer Popsicles, the perfect balance of smooth iced tea and bright citrusy lemon, frozen into a refreshing two-tone treat. You get that deep, slightly bold tea flavor on one side and that crisp, tangy lemon on the other, with a fresh slice of lemon right inside every popsicle. It's clean, it's refreshing, and it looks just as good as it tastes. These popsicles are incredibly easy to make. We're starting with freshly brewed tea, mixing it with lemonade, and then pouring everything into molds for a simple freeze. No complicated steps, no fancy equipment, just real ingredients coming together for a classic flavor everyone already loves. What I really like about this recipe is how versatile it is. You can keep it classic, adjust the sweetness, use green tea if you want something lighter, or even add fresh mint for a little extra freshness. And once they're frozen, you've got a grab and go summer treat ready anytime. So whether you're cooling off on a long day, making something fun for the family, or just looking to upgrade your popsicle game, this is the one recipe you're definitely going to want to keep on repeat. Let's get started. We're starting with a simple lineup of ingredients: fresh lemons, brewed tea, lemonade, and a little sweetener. This recipe is all about balance, so having everything ready makes the process smooth and consistent from the very beginning. Add your tea to hot water and let it steep until it develops a rich, deep color. This is where that classic Arnold Palmer flavor begins. So letting the tea fully infuse is key to getting that bold, smooth base. Once the tea has finished steeping, remove the leaves or tea bags and allow it to cool completely. You don't want to mix hot tea with lemonade, so giving it time to cool ensures a clean, refreshing final flavor. Pour the cooled tea into a pitcher, then add the lemonade. As the two come together, you'll start to see that signature blend forming, half tea, half lemonade, perfectly balanced. Add your sweetener and a touch of lemon zest if you want to boost the citrus flavor. Stir everything together until fully combined and smooth. At this stage, you can taste and adjust the sweetness to your preference. Carefully pour your mixture into your popsicle molds. Fill each one evenly so they freeze consistently, and make sure any lemon slices are positioned nicely for that clean, finished look. Insert your popsicle sticks into each mold, keeping them centered so the popsicles freeze evenly and hold their shape properly once removed. Place the filled molds into the freezer and let them set undisturbed. Give them several hours or overnight until they are completely solid all the way through. Once frozen, remove the molds from the freezer. A quick rinse under warm water helps release the popsicles cleanly without breaking or cracking. Arrange the popsicles on a plate over ice. The contrast of the amber tea and pale lemonade layers, along with the lemon slices, creates a bright, refreshing presentation. Take a bite and you'll get that perfect balance: smooth tea, crisp lemon, and just the right amount of sweetness. It's refreshing, light, and exactly what you want in a summer popsicle. Arnold Palmer popsicles are one of those recipes that look impressive but are incredibly simple once you understand the balance. At its core, this recipe is all about getting the tea to lemonade ratio right and making sure both components are clean, smooth, and refreshing. The classic ratio is 50-50 tea to lemonade, and that's what gives you the recognizable Arnold Palmer flavor. But this is also where you can really make the recipe your own. If you prefer a stronger, more robust flavor, lean a little heavier on the tea. If you want something brighter and more refreshing, increase the lemonade slightly. Small adjustments make a big difference. One of the most important steps is brewing the tea properly. Don't rush it. Let it steep long enough to develop full flavor, but not so long that it becomes bitter. A slightly stronger brew works best here because freezing naturally dulls flavors. So what tastes perfect as a liquid will taste slightly milder once frozen. Cooling the tea completely before mixing is critical. If the tea is still warm, it can throw off the balance, dilute the lemonade, and even affect how the popsicles freeze. Starting with fully chilled liquid helps create a cleaner texture and more defined layers. When it comes to sweetness, this recipe is very flexible. Lemonade already contains sugar, so always taste before adding sweetener. If you do add honey or sugar, dissolve it fully so you don't end up with uneven sweetness in the final popsicles. Keep in mind that frozen desserts taste less sweet than liquid ones, so a slight bump in sweetness is usually a good idea. Adding lemon slices inside the molds is optional, but it makes a big difference visually and adds a subtle burst of flavor as the popsicle melts. Just make sure the slices are thin enough so they don't overpower the texture or make the popsicle difficult to bite. For texture, these popsicles are naturally more icy and refreshing rather than creamy, which is exactly what you want for this style. If you ever want a slightly softer bite, you can add a small splash of simple syrup or a bit more sugar, which helps reduce hardness slightly after freezing. Unmolding is where a lot of people run into trouble. If the popsicles don't release easily, don't force them. A quick rinse under warm water for a few seconds is all you need to loosen them cleanly without damaging the shape. Storage is simple. Once frozen solid, you can remove them from the molds and store them in a freezer-safe bag or container. They'll keep well for a couple weeks, making them perfect for prepping ahead and having ready whenever you need a quick, refreshing treat. At the end of the day, this recipe is about simplicity, balance, and refreshment. Clean flavors, minimal ingredients, and a classic combination that never goes out of style. And there you have it, Arnold Palmer Popsicles. Simple, refreshing, and packed with that classic iced tea and lemonade flavor that never goes out of style. This is one of those recipes that really proves you don't need a long ingredient list or complicated steps to make something great. Just a few basics, the right balance, and a little time in the freezer, and you've got a clean, crisp summer treat that's ready whenever you are. What I like most about these is how easy they are to customize. You can adjust the sweetness, switch up the tea, add fresh herbs like mint, or even play around with layering to get that perfect two-tone look. Once you've made them once, you can really make them your own. They're perfect for hot days, great for keeping in the freezer for a quick grab-and-go snack, and honestly, they look just as good as they taste. The lemon slice inside each popsicle really brings everything together and gives you that extra pop of flavor with every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to keep it in your rotation. And if you're building out your popsicle collection, this is definitely one of those foundational recipes you'll come back to again and again. Thanks for spending some time with me in the kitchen today. And as always, keep cooking. Keep it simple, and I'll see you in the next one.